In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived workflows in n8n. Navigating through n8n to locate your archived workflows can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the platform. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have no trouble accessing any archived workflows you need. First, let's start by accessing your n8n account. Once you've logged in, you're going to want to navigate to the top navigation bar. Here, you'll find a section labeled Personal. Click on Personal to begin. This is where all your personal projects and workflows are typically organized, and it's the first step to reaching where our archived workflows are stored. After clicking Personal, the next thing on our list is accessing the Workflows section. Simply locate the Workflows tab and click on it. This will bring you to the main screen where all of your workflows are displayed, both current and past. On this page, you usually see your regularly used workflows, but to find the archived ones, we need to use a special feature that's not immediately visible. Move over to the right side of the screen where you'll notice a small filter icon. It might not stand out at first, but it's crucial for the next step. Click this filter icon to open a drop-down menu that allows you to customize which workflows are visible based on various criteria. In this drop-down menu, you'll find several options to refine your workflow display. What we're interested in here is the option that reads Show Archived Workflows. Go ahead and click this option. Once selected, the page will refresh, and you'll notice that your archived workflows are now visible alongside any active ones. This is how you can easily retrieve and review those older workflows you may need to reference or reactivate. A quick tip: be mindful about managing which workflows you archive. Archiving is a great way to tidy up your active workflows page, especially if a project or specific workflow is no longer needed in your day-to-day operations. However, always ensure you have the ability to easily recall and reactivate them, just as we've done here today. By following these simple but crucial steps, you ensure that you maintain an organized and easily navigable workflow environment within n8n. And there you have it. That's all it takes to access your archived workflows within n8n. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to explore n8n's other features for optimizing your workflow processes. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this makes your n8n journey a lot smoother.